Good morning, kindergarten. We are reviewing this shape today. What shape is this? Yes, it is a square. If you put your finger right here, where this little gray caterpillar looking animal is, it's showing you this is a side. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. If you look where this little brown caterpillar is, this is called a vertex. That is a math word or another word for corner. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 corners or a vertex. So put your finger around that green square and trace it. Then use your pencil and just go around and trace the outside. Go down. It's okay if you get off a little. Go over. Go up. And back over. A square has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 4 corners or vertex. Lift up your page, turn it and fold it back. If you do not have your math page out right now, that is fine. You can just watch me and then do yours next. Now, right here, what shape is that? That is still a square. It's like they just took this square and they turned it and put it up on one of its corners. It's still a square. It has 4 sides that are exactly the same and 4 vertices or 4 corners. They just changed it to make sure you knew that is a square. All right, so even if you still trace it, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. All right, by the red apple, they said, how many vertices does this square have? That's just that math word for corner. So how many corners or vertices does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Down to the dotted line and over. Down once more. How many sides does a square have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Down and over, down once more. If you pick up your page and flip it over, this is where they want us to draw some shapes, some squares. Now, if you were here, I would help you and I would show you how to do it using these dots. You just go from one dot over to the next dot, up and over, and that's a square. Or maybe I want to do 3 dots, but I would have to do it on each side because they have to be the same. So I could go down, 1, 2, 3, over, 1, 2, 3, up, 1, 2, 3, and then close it. 1, 2, 3. Or if you can find something at your house shaped like a square, then you could trace it. It's up to you. They just wanted you to practice drawing some squares. And we're just practicing, so they don't have to be perfect. I'm a grown-up and my shapes are never perfect. They're always off a little bit. All right, so maybe I want to go down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I have to go over. 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. Then I have to go up. 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. And then I can close it. 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. So just practice drawing a few squares, just a little practice. Don't worry if you mess up, no big deal. So work on that for a few minutes. Then when you turn to the back page, there you have a riddle. I have 4 sides that have equal length, and I have 4 vertices or corners. What shape am I? Yes, it's a square. So draw a square. You can draw a little square or you can draw a big square. If it's a shape that has 4 sides that are all equal, and it has 4 vertices or corners, then it is a square. Alright, boys and girls, great work this morning. Let me know if you need anything. Miss you guys.